Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDMS Tech. My name is Abubakar. Today I'm going to show you how to configure interfaces and DNS, NAT and static route and policies. So you can see here I already arranged the topology. This is my wide area network and this is the ISP. It's like a management port, and this is the IP address for the internet gateway. So the gateway we will configure here to get the internet access to the local area network. You can see here this one 192.168.234 range for the fortinet, and the gateway is 234.2. But I'm taking here for the local area network, I'm using 192.168.10 range. So I will show you how to configure one by step by step here. So we will go to the firewall and login. Later click OK. And one more thing, how you can check this gateway. The gateway you can check from the your physical PC as well. You can type here cmd and just click OK, and ipconfig \all, click OK, click enter. Then you can see here Ethernet adapter VMware network adapter VMnet 8 is primary Win server 234.2. This is our default gateway for the ISP. You can check from here also. Open VMware and go to edit and virtual network editor, and from here you can see here and VMnet 8 NAT settings gateway IP 234.2. This is our gateway. Gateway IP is 234.2 and my firewall IP 129. You know that how you can check the IP address for the firewall. You have to log into the firewall and from the CMD mode from the putty, and you can check the IP address from here, diagnose IP address list. So you can see the firewall IP address. So I will log in here. I already log in. Now what we will do, first of all we will go to the interfaces. We will create the interface network interfaces, and you can see here port 1 is wide area network. So go to here port 1, just right click edit, and you can alias you can write whatever you want. So I will write here WAN wide area network, and you can see here if you want to assign manually you can assign the IP address manually. If you want to assign the DHCP, you can assign through DHCP. You can see here it is already connected. It is taking the IP address for the firewall 234.129, and also it is taking the gateway as well as. So we will not change anything from here. Just we created here, and just we will go to the, just click OK to save the changes. We did not make any changes, only we changed the WAN to understand the port. Click OK. Port 1 is WAN connection, and the another thing is go to here and you can see here the local area network port 2 and port 3. So here first of all I will only allow for the port 2. Click edit. Usually if you connect the switch, you can allow to the port 2. From the switch you can get the internet for all the PCs, but as of now I directly connected to the Fortinet firewall. So I will not configure individually for both PCs. I will configure one PC. I will show you. It means if you connect the switch here, from the switch it will go to all the PCs, but I did not connect any switch. That's why I will connect only port 1. I will configure on port 1 as a LAN, so it will get internet directly here. Now port 2 alias, you can write LAN, and you can mention here role as a LAN, and you can give the IP address as well here. Now we will configure IP address here manually, because we are giving the 10 range 192.168.10. And the IP address will be 1. So you can directly enter here 24, or else you can type 255.255.255.0 subnet mask, and allow here HTTPS ping SSH. Then it is enough for now, and just click OK. So now what we will do, go to DNS. In DNS we will specify the IP address. It was showing use FortiGate servers, but we will specify the IP address here. Primary DNS server 8.8.8.8. This is public IP address for the 8.8.8. to connect to the Google. So secondary I will use 4.4.4 and click OK. Applied. Now you can go to static route, create new, and you can see here destination I will not change anything, and interface I will choose the WAN, and here you can see here specify the IP address for the gateway. So for the WAN gateway, you know that for the WAN gateway is 234.2. so 192.168.234.2. okay, you can see here 192.168.232.2. this is the gateway of the ISP. So now just click OK. The static route is created, enabled, and go to the policy objects. Inside the policy objects, firewall policy. Here we will create a firewall policy. So just click create new, and here you can type LAN internet or any name, internet for local area network. So we'll give internet LAN or LAN internet, anything whatever you want. You can give the name to identify, and we will select here incoming service, you can see here incoming service, it is LAN port 2. Outgoing incoming service is LAN 1, LAN port. It is going to Fortinet. From here it is going outside. So outside means port 1. So inside means port 2. So inside incoming interface is LAN port 2 and outgoing interface LAN port 1. It means wide area network WAN port. And here sources, you can choose any source but it's depend. So here we will select as of now all, and destinations I will select here all also. We will not make any changes here. Service, we can choose the specified services here, but if you want HTTP and HTTPS, you can select what the service you can provide to the local area network, but I will click as of now all and close. And you must enable this NAT to translate the IP address. So we will not change here anything, and just we will not do any modification here. Antivirus, web filter, DNS filter, application filter, this SSL inspection for the certificates, and as of now just we will click OK. You can see here internet LAN is policy is created and accept no inspection, it is enabled. Now what we will do, we will go to the PC and we will check the connectivity. So the range for this PC I will give this PC, click start, just wait until the PC is starting. I will not use second PC as of now because we did not even configure on port 3. Usually if we use a switch it will connect directly, but we are individually creating the internet access. So here for this PC I will give 10.2, and for this PC I will use like 10.3. As of now this PC we will give 10.2. Just click OK. Sorry, just click on the PC and it will open ultra VNC. Click OK and log into the PC. Admin and password also admin. Now you can see this is my PC 10.2. so I did not configure before. Now I will configure here. Just go to settings. We will change the adapter settings. Ethernet, change adapter options. Now we will change the adapter setting from here. Properties, IPv4 and properties. Here I will give static 192.168.10.2 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and the gateway 192.168.10.1. Click OK, close. Yes. Now we will try to ping ping 8.8.8.8. You can see the PC is getting internet access. It is pinging to the public IP address. So if you want to see, open Edge, you can type www.google.com, enter. You can see here it is accessing the Google. So these are the simple steps to access the internet on the PC. So friends, these are the simple steps to configure interfaces and DNS and static route and policy. So I hope you like this video. Upcoming videos we will cover the remaining topics, how to create the policy and specified PC and all those things. So we'll learn all the things one by one. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.